Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In Q radial gradient in our application. In this video, I will show you how to use Q conical gradient effect in our application. So let's follow the basic syntax. We just have to write here Q conical gradient class. Okay, and let me explain the parameter. In Q radial gradient effect, we use radius, and here we use angle. So the 50 is the angle value of your conical gradient, means at at the angle of 50 the gradient color will starting the interpolate to start color to end color. So here we cannot set this spread method in conical gradient. So just simply comment the line and let's run the application and see the effect. You can see here the angle of 50 and the color are starting to interpolate with each other and at the end color. Okay, and conical gradient method is work as a counterclockwise, not clockwise. Is working as a counterclockwise. So you can see the first color is white and second is red. So after that white and red, and then shine and yellow and then black. So let's change the angle value 50 to 70 and run the application. So you can see the value at the angle of 70. As I say, the Q conical gradient working as a counterclockwise, not clockwise. So you can also add the color between as blue, and let's add one more color. You can see the effect. So by use of Q conical gradient class, you can set the conical gradient effect on any control. So please drop your comment if you have any question, and please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.